Moving on from someone you can't have can be challenging, but it's entirely possible with the right strategies. Experts recommend cutting off contact, such as unfollowing or blocking them on social media, to help your mind adjust to life without them. Talking to a trusted friend or journaling can help process your emotions, while giving yourself time to grieve the situation is essential for acceptance. Engaging in self-care activities and exploring new hobbies can keep your mind occupied, helping you focus on yourself. If necessary, seek closure by communicating your feelings, but only if it won't complicate matters further. Limit your interactions to maintain professionalism, and remember that idealizing the person is unrealistic. Remind yourself of their flaws and the reasons the relationship wouldn't work. By taking these steps, you can navigate your feelings and move towards healthier relationships in the future.